Good morning, students. So, I hope your life is going perfectly fine. Are you missing the school or are you enjoying at home? What's your take? Okay. Actually, school has its own charm. We cannot recreate the school at home. Great. Hopefully, next year this will become normal and we'll meet again. So, now today, uh, I will also teach you question number 25. There are many questions. We started with question number 40 where we need to prepare suspense account. But here in this question, preparation of suspense account is not there. So question number 25, we will go through. So here you will be able to see this question number 25. Ha, look here. We have the question now. Give rectifying entries for the following. 5,400 received from Mr. A. Stop here because from this point onwards, some mistake is mentioned. So before I am going further, what should be the correct journal entry? 5,400 received from Mr. A. Let me allow you to unmute yourself. Yes, now you can unmute yourself. What should be the entry? Yes, Lavanya's answer is correct. Cash account debit to Mr. A's account. Rectification is very easy topic. Please note. The only thing is said कि students, those who are not paying 100%, those who are not paying attention, then those students find it difficult. It's very easy. तो 5400 received from Mr. A. दो चीज क्लियर होनी चाहिए. करेक्ट एंट्री एंड रॉन्ग एंट्री. करेक्ट एंट्री मिल गई है. करेक्ट एंट्री इज व्हेन वी रिसीव मनी कैश अकाउंट डेबिट क्रेडिट द गिवर. सो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू मिस्टर एस अकाउंट ये होना चाहिए था. लुक हियर, cash account debit to Mr. A's account 5400. So my correct entry should be clear to all of you. There is one request. I will share the solution with you. You just concentrate on the correct entry and the wrong entry. Okay, then all other things are clerical in nature. जिसमें दिमाग लगाना है, it is in correct entry and the wrong entry. Now, was posted to the debit of his account. इसका मतलब his यानी मिस्टर ए का अकाउंट आपने डेबिट कर दिया है. Okay, so look here, Mr. A का अकाउंट डेबिट हुआ है. This is the mistake. But कैश अकाउंट के बारे में कुछ बोला नहीं है. And if they have not mentioned anything about कैश अकाउंट, then what do we assume? वो सही होगा? Yes or no? Hello. Please mention something or you can speak out something. Okay. So कैश अकाउंट के बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा गया था तो वी अज्यूम दैट वो तो करेक्ट ही होगा. सो रॉन्ग एंट्री में देखो मिस्टर ए इज डेबिटेड, कैश इज ऑल्सो डेबिटेड, एंड in wrong entry if there is a mismatch between debit and credit we use suspense account because there is wrong accounting. Difference must have been transferred to suspense account. That's very easy. But once you know correct entry and wrong entry, do the reversal of wrong entry. ये कोई फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड का बच्चा भी कर सकता है. डेबिट का क्रेडिट, क्रेडिट का डेबिट, एंड देन वी नीड टू कंबाइन दीज टू एंट्रीज. Okay, I have allowed you to unmute yourself. here it is showing like this. You can try to, okay, now I think you will be able to
Yes,
unmute
sir.
yourself. Okay. So now when we wish to combine reverse and correct entry, then rule is very simple. If any account is debited as well as credited, so it will get cancelled. So ultimately, journal entry may suspense account will be debited with 10,800 and A ka account will be credited with double amount. And let me also tell you the shortcut. A को क्रेडिट करना था बट बाय मिस्टेक यू हैव डेबिटेड, तो जो डेबिट हुआ है उसको सुधारने के लिए क्रेडिट करो, और क्रेडिट तो ऑलरेडी करना था, तो डबल अमाउंट से यू नीड टू क्रेडिट. So I hope this one is clear to everyone. Okay, now I need some volunteers, those who can help me in reading. You can raise your hand so that I can give you the chance. No one. Okay, चलो खुद ही मेहनत कर लेते हैं. The total of sales written book